Hi, Chef Jay here.
Today I'll be making steamed vegetables. Enjoy the simplicity of steamed vegetables with this easy recipe. When you use a bamboo steamer, you will be greeted by the gentle aroma of bamboo. Give it a try. You will need 1 bamboo steamer, 1 steamer ring, 1/2 of carrot, 100-gram daikon, 1/2 of Japanese sweet potato, 1/4 of cabbage. To serve, pick your favorite dressing. I like to pair them with this miso dressing. You can find this miso dressing recipe in the description. Step 1. Cut carrot, daikon, Japanese sweet potato, and cabbage into bite-sized pieces. Cut the root vegetables into uniform sizes so they will steam evenly and cook in the same amount of time. For quick vegetables like cabbage, cutting into larger pieces. Step 2. Wet the bamboo steamer with water before use to prevent burning. Arrange the cut vegetables. Step 3. Fill a pot with plenty of water and bring it to a boil. If your pot is too small or too large, place a steamer ring on it and the bamboo steamer on top. Steam the vegetables over medium heat for 10 to 15 minutes or until tender. Step 4. While steaming the vegetables, prepare your dressing. Serve the steamed vegetable on your plate with your preferred dressing. I hope you enjoy these healthy steamed vegetables.
Also, sign up for my weekly newsletter and receive a free vegetarian recipe ebook. Go to chefjcooks.com/em/newsletter. Thanks for watching, and please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.